Kurumirira ngucanio iria ikoretwo igithii na mbere gatagati ga kiama kia arutani NAT na arutani a thukuru cia secondary KUPPET iguru rigie kuria arutwo a junior secondary mafatie guthomera. Omwe wa maundu maria kamitii ya Senate ikwendaga gutaukirwo ni murugamo wa thirikari ukoni githagathogo giki na mwerekera ni uriku.
We are waiting for the presidential party, working party on educational reforms, to say whether junior secondary will be grade 7 and 8 or grade 7, 8 and 9. Are you implying that there are chances that junior secondary could take 2 years? Is there such a school of thought?
Minister wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu ona kuhanira uguo erite kamitii ino atiririti itua ria ciama ici cieri kuona kamitii iria ikoretwo ikimurika mogaruruku sekta-ini ya githomo niyo iri na uge wa muthia.
We already have the 80 classrooms, of course waiting for the presidential working party to now come up conclusively with a report whether it will be 9 or whether it will be 8 in this particular level.
Hindi ya gikaro giki Machogu ni areganite na uhoro ati gutire na mathomo makoretwo magithii na mbere thiini wa junior secondary, akiuga arutani 30,000 aria matumirwo thukuru-ini itiganite makoretwo makinyitirira mathomo ngurani riri thirikari irarora uria ikuongerera namba ya arutani na makiria a mathomo ma science.
In each and every subject there is teaching going on, where we are also having a committee to deal with that problem. I say this particularly on science because there are a few schools where we have challenges in science.
Machogu ni ateteire gucerithirio gwa kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo, akiuga thirikari ndirahotete gucokaniriria ithaburia arutwo othe aria mandikithitio thiini wa junior secondary.
We are also waiting for supplementary one which has been approved by Parliament and accordingly signed by His Excellency the President. So we are accessing these funds anytime and we should be able to disperse the funds to all our junior secondary schools, I think latest by next week.
Kuringana na murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa guthurima mitaratara ya mathomo Charles Ongondo, arutwo othe ni matanyitwo kwamukira mafuku maria mendekithitio, akiuga ni marahura firigisheni gutigirira gutiri andu marendia mafuku maria mafatie gukorwo magikinyira arutwo.
The books are sufficient because we are giving every learner a book in every learning area, and except in learning areas which are optional, where we only go for specific numbers.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, Ministry ya githomo yugite kuri na kamitii ya mwanya iria iratongorio ni muthikabu munene wa kanitha wa ACK Jackson Ole Sapit gutigirira arutwo ni maramukira mataro makonie ndereti hio iria ikoretwo igithii na mbere kwa ihinda ya wandikithia wa kiama kia andu a horo mwe.
We have set a committee to deal with those issues because there are issues that we cannot be able to allow to infiltrate into our schools.
Haduini ha Kameme TV, Jitagugina, Wawaduro.
I want to take this opportunity